Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a saeco aroma espresso machine. Now this machine came without the shower screen and with the pretty much all the group disassembled, and we put it all back together, replace all these parts that you can see over here, as well as the gasket. Has a new gasket in there and a brand new shower screen. So let's test the machine. So as you can see, very powerful, working perfectly fine. And now let's do a shot of espresso. We're gonna make sure the machine is cooled down, otherwise it's gonna burn the coffee. That's something you gotta always watch out with these machines. Single boiler, whenever you do steam, you're gonna make sure to cool it down. That's why you only froth your milk after you make your shot of espresso. But since it actually takes a lot to make, it takes a little bit to build some pressure, the video will be like pretty long. So now let's do a shot of espresso. As you can see, I actually got the grind correctly. You see some good crema, no leaks on the portafilter. The machine working perfectly fine. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day.